Have you ever wondered why oatmeal is considered a superfood? Today, we delve into the 7 powerful benefits of eating oatmeal every day, revealing why it deserves a place in your daily diet. Kickstarting your day with a bowl of oatmeal might just be the best decision you make. Firstly, oatmeal serves as an excellent source of energy. Packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, it gradually releases energy throughout the day. This ensures you stay fueled and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Secondly, oatmeal is a champion for heart health. It contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that can help lower levels of bad cholesterol. This can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, making oatmeal a heart-friendly choice. The third benefit unlocks the secret to oatmeal's weight management prowess. The high fiber content in oatmeal aids digestion and helps you feel full longer, curbing unnecessary snacking and helping maintain a healthy weight. Fourthly, oatmeal is a skin's best friend. It has been used for centuries as a soothing agent to relieve itch and irritation while also providing an array of nutrients to the skin. Moving on to the fifth point, oatmeal is a boon for diabetics. The high fiber content and complex carbohydrates help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing dangerous spikes and lows. The sixth benefit is oatmeal's contribution to a healthy gut. The dietary fiber in oatmeal feeds the good bacteria in the gut, aiding digestion and overall gut health. Finally, oatmeal is a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. It provides significant amounts of vitamin B1, iron, and other minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. To sum up, oatmeal is a superfood that offers an abundance of benefits. It fuels your day, champions heart health, aids in weight management, soothes the skin, regulates blood sugar, promotes a healthy gut, and provides essential vitamins and minerals. So, why not make a bowl of oatmeal part of your daily routine? It's a simple step that could bring about powerful health benefits. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with the first bite.